Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the SEBI notification. पूरा नहीं, but only the important part of it. And also lately in this video, I'll tell you about when I'll start my preparation for SEBI. So that thing I'll discuss later in this video. But before that, I'll take up the notification. And इसमें what will happen that most of your doubts will get resolved if and when you watch this video. So I have marked all the important points so that ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगे इसको आपको बताने में. And I'll just walk you through those important points so that your doubts get resolved. So starting with, of course, the application timing, which is from 30th of October to 28th of November. एक almost 30 days का timing है, and you can fill within the time limits. So phase 1 examination is on 10th of January. This is a lot of time, and even if you have not started with the preparation, you can 100% do it within this time frame. And this is also a very good timing, like 21st of February, like 40 days timing is in between phase 1 and phase 2. ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है. If you wait for your phase 1 results, even then you can prepare for the phase 2 easily. It's a lot of time because the same thing you have to revise. There's no addition in phase 2 apart from, of course, English descriptive. Generally that also doesn't take a lot of time, so it's a good amount of time. So moving forward, so this is a mail ID of SEBI, recruitment@sebi.gov.in. If you have any doubt, you can either mail on this mail ID, or also there is one more contact detail that I have given lately in the later part of this notification. I'll let you know about that. On that also you can mail and ask your doubts directly from SEBI. So regarding vacancy, there are 56 vacancies, and of course you can also see the category wise vacancy. So again, the educational qualification remains same, that is a master's degree and postgraduate, bachelor's degree only in law and in engineering, and of course CA, CSA, CS and CFA. Also one more doubt I received in the comment section is that one person was asking me that whether he should fill from general or IT. So we can fill two streams at a time, and it is given in the later part of this notification. And if you have like doubt कि कौन सा fill करे, IT और general, you can fill both. There is no such issue. बस आपको दो application fill करना होगा and 2 times you have to pay. So इसमें जितने भी experiences they have asked for, they must have obtained by 28th of November 2025 as mentioned over here. So moving forward, so here it is written about the caste certificate and everything, income and asset certificate, and issue date should be between 1/4/2025, and the DV verification generally ये interview के साथ होता है. So it is a bit of relaxation because ऐसा RBI में नहीं है. RBI में ऐसा है कि till the last date of क्लोजिंग ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, तो वो थोड़ा जल्दी मांग लेते हैं. बट अगर यहाँ पर आपका ऐसा है कि फेज़ 2 तक भी आपके पास नहीं है कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट, इवन देन आप उसके बाद भी अगर बनवा लेते हो तो आपका काम हो जाएगा, बिकॉज DV डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन से पहले का डेट में होना चाहिए. ओके, सो बाकी तो इट्स नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट. या हेयर इट इज़ रिटन द कैंडिडेट्स आर परमिटेड टू अप्लाई फॉर मैक्सिमम 2 स्ट्रीम्स. जैसे एक IT इफ़ यू वांट टू फिल, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फिल जनरल, दोनों के केस में यू कैन फिल. It's just that you have to apply twice. You cannot change or make any correction in the application form once it's submitted. तो आपको उस चीज़ को बहुत carefully fill करना है, हर एक डिटेल. तो note 4 is regarding again वही कि if you are like in your masters or pursuing something in a bachelor's degree for suppose engineering, and you are about to write your final examination, or you might have written it. So अगर आप result await कर रहे हो, then you can write phase 1 and phase 2 exam, but phase 3 तक आपके पास उसका प्रूफ होना चाहिए रिगार्डिंग द क्वालिफिकेशन. सो दैट इज़ मेंशन इन दिस पॉइंट. अगर इसके बाद भी ऐसा कुछ केस है जो यू आर नॉट वेरी क्लियर, तो यू कैन राइट, यू कैन मेल देम एंड आस्क देम डायरेक्टली. सो अगेन हियर एज लिमिट इज रिटन ओवर हियर, दैट इज़ नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड so it is written about phase 1 online examination, paper 1 all stream 100 marks का होगा, and 60 minutes timing. Again there is a 30% sectional cut off, and पेपर 2 में 40% कट ऑफ, बट ओवरऑल एग्रीगेट यू हैव टू गेट 40% कट ऑफ. तो 200 में यू हैव टू गेट 80 मार्क. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मैनेज इट हाउ यू हैव टू लाइक इसमें कितना आपका कितना आप टारगेट करते हो, एंड इसमें कितना टारगेट करते हो. जनरली this is easier to get in this section mark because questions is very much doable. And of course you have to study for phase 2 also, so I'll suggest कि आप अच्छे से तैयारी अभी कर लो. So that's the thing. Moving forward, this is phase 2 paper 1 English descriptive 100 marks 60 minutes timing देखें. ये 60 minutes timing थोड़ा कम है, but with practice we can complete the paper within time. And 30% is a cutoff, like minimum 30 marks you have to get out of 100. And weightage is 1/3 of English descriptive. And general stream का जो भी subject है इसका weightage 2/3 है. And 40% is the cutoff. 90 minutes you'll be getting and 100 marks. It is a good amount of time. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कोई question आपका छूट जाएगा. It is very much doable in this time frame. This is for other streams. And you have to get aggregate cutoff 50% mark in phase 2. Like out of 200 you have to get minimum of 100 mark to qualify for phase 3. It is written over here. And candidates who will qualify for interview, that will be 3 times of the number of vacancies. तो जैसे vacancies 56 है तो इसका 3 times 168 people will reach in the interview stage. So for interview it is written that candidates may offer both either in Hindi or in English. जब आपका पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर्म फिल करने के लिए यू विल बी आस्क्ड, देयर यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर योर लैंग्वेज. एंड जो फेज़ 2 का मार्क होता है उसका वेटेज 85% होता है एंड इंटरव्यू का मार्क का वेटेज होता है 15%. सो दैट इज़ द वेटेज एंड इसी की बेसिस पे फाइनल कट ऑफ तैयार होता है. ऑफकोर्स सैलरी वगैरह यहाँ पर इट इज़ रिटन व्हाट आर अलाउंसेस यू विल बी गेटिंग एंड यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट. Centers are written over here. Application fee for unreserved OBC 1000 plus 18% GST. So rest is not so important. We'll just go to the syllabus part. The point written in G is regarding interview. If you reach till interview, so the reimbursement of your railway ticket will be done both while return and coming back. And जनरली ये रिजल्ट आउट होने के भी 2 महीने के बाद ही आते हैं. इट्स टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बट इट विल डेफिनेटली बी रिम्बर्स्ड. सो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कि हाउ टू अप्लाई. इफ़ यू गो थ्रू ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट you will not face any issue regarding application of the form. So payment of fees, everything is fine. Call letters download, identification, action, misconduct, general information you can go through, not such important. In case of any problem experienced in filling the form, payment of fees, intimation, charges, queries may be made. You can mail here. Okay, do not forget to mention subject SEBI grade A officer 2025 in the subject of the email. Okay, you can ask for any doubts over here in this mail. So it is a syllabus written for phase paper 2 commerce and accountancy. Generally questions easy syllabus में से आते हैं and you make sure that you have covered each and every topic. ये बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. It might seem like this is a lot, but it is so interesting and once you get into it, you'll find it very very easy. Okay, ये other streams का syllabus है and I think the notification is going to end. That's all. Okay, so इतना ही था important thing about the notification. And even then you have some doubt and you think your doubt is not very much addressed by this notification, you can mail them and 100% they'll reply back to you. Also I'll tell you about when I'll start studying for SEBI. So most probably in December and mid of December, because exam January में है, so I think it's a lot of time. But as and when I start, I will also try to update you regarding what I'm studying every day. I'll also make an update video about what I'm studying and also let you know few important topics कि उस दिन जो मैंने पढ़ा उससे क्या important है एग्जाम पर व्यू पॉइंट से. तो उससे क्या होगा कि द पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड एंड दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि क्या क्वेश्चन पिक होता है, दिल गेट सम आइडिया. I just want you to write down in the comment section that do you think this idea of mine will work, or I should be making this for you, और ये आपको किसी भी वे में सपोर्टिव होगा. So अगर हाँ तो I'll make it. If not, then I can make weekly or maybe just let you know my targets. That's all I'll make. So please let me know in the comment section. And इसके अलावा भी अगर if you have any doubt, please write it down. Also, I have seen a lot of doubts of yours in the comment section. I try to reply, but most of it is related to notification. I hope कि इस notification के out होने के बाद, and if you once you go through as a serious aspirant, I think once every one of you should go through the notification, because a lot of doubts get resolved as and when you watch you read the notification. So I hope आप लोग अपना तैयारी अच्छे से करोगे. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.